Hello, everyone.
Thank you.
Glad to present here by Buster once again.
Hello, guys. I think this is the first time that I present the Vote here. The Vote is a project focused on creating a decentralized infrastructure for electric vehicles.
Hello. The project I've been working on, building a suite of tools to make it really easy for game developers to build games with Godot on Cartesi.
Hello everyone, it's Ware. Ware is a board game, part of the Mancala family. And the idea was how can we create games and also use AI agents to enhance gameplay.
Hey guys, how's it going? Yeah, so from the Rive side, quite a lot happened over the last month. Mainly moved to mainnet with the first version and had the Doom Olympics running.
Hello. So DCA Monster is an automated market maker offering the finest dollar cost averaging functionality on chain. No?
Buenos días. Good morning. This milestone was focused on integrating SQLite, offering developers more flexible storage options.
Howdy guys. So Fastlane is pretty fast, but it kind of depends on the users to use it. We implemented the first community track for Oasis Network, and we fully implemented multiplayer for this community track.
Okay, so let me first introduce Comet itself. With Comet, we wanted people to bring together and write some great, maybe it could be a poetry, it could be a song, it could be some rap,